Are you tired of spending money on garden products that promise big results but deliver little to nothing? Today, we're going to uncover 12 garden products that do more harm to your wallet than good to your garden. First on the list, high-cost fertilizers. Many people believe that the more expensive the fertilizer, the better it works. But truth be told, you can make your own organic compost for free or buy cheaper, natural alternatives that work just as well. Those beautiful planters might look great, but they often come with an inflated price tag. Simple plastic or terracotta pots get the job done for a fraction of the cost. Plus, once your plants grow, the pot is hardly noticeable. Cheap garden tools can be a nightmare. They break, rust, or wear out quickly, making you buy replacements sooner than you'd expect. Instead, invest in high-quality tools that will last you a lifetime. Ever been tempted by those self-watering devices or overly complex irrigation systems? They often break or don't work as advertised. Stick to a good old-fashioned hose or a basic drip system that you can rely on. Pest repellents are a tricky area. Many chemical sprays claim to keep bugs away but end up doing very little. Instead, try planting pest repellent plants like marigolds or basil, which naturally repel insects. Artificial turf may seem like a maintenance-free solution, but it's an expensive investment that doesn't live up to the natural beauty of real grass. Plus, it can cause drainage issues and retain heat, damaging surrounding plants. While organic seeds are great, many branded options are significantly marked up. You can find non-branded organic seeds at local stores or seed swaps that are just as good, without the hefty price. Those fancy plant stands might look nice, but they don't actually help your plants grow any better. A simple DIY shelf or a repurposed piece of furniture can do the same job at a fraction of the cost. Insect hotels are trendy, but they're often more decorative than functional. Many don't attract the kinds of beneficial insects your garden needs. You're better off planting insect-attracting plants like lavender or sunflowers. Ornaments like statues and gnomes might be cute, but they don't contribute to your garden's health. It's easy to overspend on decor, but remember, your plants are the true stars of the garden. Many soil additives promise miraculous plant growth but often deliver minimal results. Stick to compost, organic matter, and a proper watering routine. Those are what truly help your plants thrive. A greenhouse is a gardener's dream, but spending a fortune on a high-tech model isn't necessary. Simple DIY or small, affordable greenhouses can do the job just fine for most home gardeners. Remember, gardening doesn't have to be expensive. Focus on the essentials, avoid falling for gimmicks, and invest wisely in tools and materials that will truly benefit your garden. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more garden-saving tips. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.